Are you tired of dealing with uncomfortable toilets that just don't cut it? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Squatty Potty Stool. The Squatty Potty Simple Curve Bathroom Toilet Stool caught my eye right away, and at just $26.48, it's a budget-friendly choice. If you want a natural way to enhance your bathroom experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's the thing, human bodies actually function better when we squat rather than sit. The Squatty Potty helps you achieve that optimal 35-degree angle, making for a smoother and quicker visit. This means less strain and more efficiency. Who doesn't want that, right? With over 20,000 units sold just last month, it's clearly resonating with a lot of people. Now, some people complain that it can be a bit awkward to use at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for your bathroom routine. Those initial discomforts are minor compared to the benefits. This is perfect for you if you often feel uncomfortable on the toilet and want a more natural experience. Skip this one if you have very limited space, as it does require some room to use effectively. With its simple design, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the Squatty Potty's awkwardness at first bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with cleanliness in mind. Product number 2, HAMITOR Toilet Brush Set. Next up is the HAMITOR Toilet Bowl Brush Holder Set, priced at $12.92. What immediately caught my attention was its unique S-shaped bristles that promise deep cleaning. If you want to keep your toilet spotless with minimal effort, this is worth a serious look. The design allows for 360-degree cleaning, even in those hard-to-reach corners. Plus, it's designed to let water drip away, which prevents messes on your bathroom floor. With over 10,000 units sold recently, it's clearly making a splash. However, some users mentioned that the brush head could wear out quicker than expected. Now, here's the thing, if you're diligent about maintenance, this shouldn't be a major issue. Just replace it when needed and you'll be good. This is perfect for you if you want an effective and stylish way to keep your toilet clean. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional brush design. Overall, it offers great functionality at a low price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value space-saving designs. Product number 3, AONEZ Compact Toilet Brush. Now let's talk about the AONEZ Compact Toilet Brush and Holder, which is a steal at just $9.04. Its sleek design and stainless steel handle caught my eye immediately. If you're looking for a stylish, space-saving solution, this is worth a serious look. This brush is designed to fit seamlessly in small bathrooms while still providing a deep clean with its sturdy bristles. The holder keeps the brush hidden away, which is great for aesthetics. People love that it's easy to maintain and doesn't take up much space, perfect for apartments or smaller homes. It's been purchased over 10,000 times in the past month, showing its popularity. However, some buyers pointed out that the bristles can be too firm for their liking. Now, I'll be real with you, that might not be ideal for everyone. But for those who want a thorough clean, this stiffness can be beneficial. This is perfect for you if you're short on bathroom space but still want an effective cleaner. Skip this one if you prefer a softer touch when cleaning. With its low price point, it's definitely a smart buy. Now, if you need something more reliable for everyday use, this next product might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Toilet Paper. Next on the list is Amazon Basics Soft and Strong 2-ply Toilet Paper, retailing at $36.59 for 30 Ultra Rolls. What impressed me is that it offers 10,200 sheets total, which means fewer shopping trips for you. If you want a reliable toilet paper that can handle high traffic, this is worth a serious look. People rave about its balance of softness and strength, making it suitable for families. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a favorite among users. However, some folks mentioned it could be a bit rough compared to premium brands. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be a practical daily option, not a luxury item, so it's a fair trade-off for the price. This is perfect for you if you have a busy household and need a dependable toilet paper solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra soft and plush. It's still a great deal for the amount you get. Now, If you want to add a touch of fun to your bathroom decor, listen up for this next product, which is all about personality. Product number 5, VELENTI Sheep Toilet Roll Holder. Last but not least, we have the VELENTI Sheep Toilet Roll Holder, priced at $17.44. Its unique 3D design caught my attention because honestly, how often do you see a cute sheep holding toilet paper? If you want to inject some humor into your bathroom, this is worth a serious look. This toilet roll holder isn't just for storage, it adds a whimsical touch to your space. It's super easy to use and doesn't require any assembly, which is a bonus. Plus, it's been bought over 10,000 times, showing that people love it for its fun factor. However, some people feel it's a bit quirky for their taste. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy unique decor, this could be a fantastic conversation starter. This is perfect for you if you want to impress your guests and bring some character into your bathroom. Skip this one if you prefer more traditional decor styles. Given its uniqueness and charm, it's a great value. So there you have it, 5 fantastic toilet solutions to upgrade your bathroom experience. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Squatty Potty stool because it genuinely enhances your comfort and efficiency during those bathroom breaks. I'd avoid the VELENTI sheep holder if you're not into quirky decor because it might not fit everyone's style. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.